Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share a lovely snack recipe. We're going to make these delicious cheesy aloo tikkis. So let's get started and check it out. For the filling, to a bowl I'm adding 1 cup of processed cheese. So this is processed diced cheese. You get it as is or you can buy the cheese and grate it yourself. Next I'm adding 2 green chilies thinly sliced. About a tablespoon of finely chopped onion. This is entirely optional. 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of finely chopped capsicum. Next I'm adding some finely chopped coriander leaves. So we're just going to season this a little bit by adding about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well. The filling should be predominantly cheese. You want more of cheese. So there you go, our filling is done. I'm just going to keep this aside. For this recipe, I've taken 5 large boiled potatoes, removed the skin and cut them into pieces. I'm just adding the boiled potato pieces into a potato masher. If you don't have this particular masher, you can just use a grater and grate the boiled potatoes. So we have the potato mash ready here. So now I'm going to add a few spice powders to make it all the more flavorful. First I'm adding 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Next, add 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, 1 teaspoon of Chaat Masala powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and next I'm adding 2 tablespoons of Maida, that is all-purpose flour. So start mixing everything together till you get a nice dough consistency. And those of you who want to substitute Maida with atta, that is wheat flour, you can do that as well. Initially I'm adding 2 tablespoons, but if I need more, I will add a little bit more depending on the consistency and the texture of the mixture. So you can see I've mixed everything well. Got this lovely smooth dough consistency here. Dab a little oil onto your palms. Take a portion of the potato mixture, shape it into a nice round ball. Now gently flatten it and start shaping it into a small cup. So you can see how I'm doing this. So once you've got that nice shape, place a tablespoonful of the cheese mixture. Gently bring the edges to the center and seal the tikki. Start shaping it into a nice beautiful round patty. Make all the stuffed aloo tikkis in this manner and keep it aside. I'm sure many of you enjoy and love aloo tikkis. Drop a memory that you connect with aloo tikki in the comment section. I will read them and pin the best comment. Now let's start frying the aloo tikkis. To a pan, add a little oil, not too much. We're going to shallow fry these. Gently spread the oil on all sides. Gently place the cheesy aloo tikkis onto the pan. Maintain the flame on medium throughout. Once it's cooked on one side, gently flip it to the other side. Wow, just look at them. They look so gorgeous. Look at that beautiful reddish brown color. Shallow fry all the aloo tikkis in this manner. I'm serving it with a little ketchup by the side. If kids fancy a burger, well, here is a nice way to enjoy these cheesy aloo tikkis. These cheesy aloo tikkis are great for parties or evening dinners or for any special occasions when you're entertaining guests or friends. Make sure to serve it nice and hot and follow all the tips to get it perfectly. I love potatoes as well as cheese, and it's time to taste this yummy snack. Melted cheese, of course, and the crunchy onions, and that mild spice from the green chili, and of course that beautiful aloo. I can't stop eating. Wow. Superb snack. You don't want to miss this, guys. I absolutely loved that cheesy aloo tikki, and the best way to enjoy it is nice and hot while the cheese is still gooey inside. So do try it and share it with your family and friends and let me know how it turned out for you guys. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.